What's up, mini truckers? Ben here. We got this Subaru Sambar. I've seen this problem twice, and then I had somebody call me with this problem, so I know it'll happen 3 times. But essentially, the truck only drives in 4-wheel drive mode, and so I troubleshoot. I'm like, what the heck? And I've lifted all the 4 wheels, and the back wheels would spin, but if you put resistance to them, they would spin. So I'll show you what the problem is. Let me sit here. So the issue, notice here, well, now it's spinning, but this should be spinning the axle. So the drum, it gets stripped. I'm not exactly sure if it's soft metal or this one's got 90,000 miles. It's the way people are driving, but this is not even on there tight. So it's a pretty easy fix. I've done this before. Like I said, I don't really remember how to do it, but we're gonna work on it together. Let me see if you got the good angle still. So just keep note of the way this tapered piece goes in, and we're gonna keep that there. This one's not nearly as good as the other one I had this problem. This spindle, definitely the splines are kind of getting a little bit worn. I'm gonna try to kind of deepen them. So I think that must mean somebody was driving like this a lot longer. Look inside of here. Okay, that's supposed to have splines on it. Let me show you the. So that's how the wheel actually drives. It drives by grabbing on there. So let me get some WD-40 and I'll be back. Alright, I don't really want to get the drum covered in WD-40, but I'm going to try to spray it just so I can see what's happening a little bit better. And then I have this flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to kind of run through the channels, see if we can clean them out a little bit. It almost looks like rust is in there. Sort of metal buildup, maybe the shavings. Could just be the shavings over time has filled these gaps. So while you're here, you can look at the brake and see that everything has got pad life. On the drums, this is the shoe, and then it makes contact and pushes out on this drum piece. Okay, so it's moving. That's good. And then put a little WD-40 here and on the threads right there. It could be that they were too loose. I don't think there's any danger. Obviously, you don't want to over tighten it, but there's no wheel bearings here to have any problems with. So we're looking for the pin to get back into. I don't know what's happening.
seating far enough? Or am I not tightening it enough? Something's not sitting right. Alright, we figured out the problem. The new piece has this piece is kind of stuck on there, and the old piece, this piece is falling off. So I'm not 100% sure what that is, some sort of seal. And there is bearings in here after all, so put that on. Nice splines in there, and now put our little cone. Now we're going to put those washers. So now that we know there's washers, we don't want to make it too tight. So you could even make it tight and then back it off. Like that. That's probably what I'm going to do. And then use your locking pin. And if you want to use the center caps, you're going to have to put those locking pins, folding them towards the inside. I've seen trucks come when they fold them out this way, but that black piece won't fit on there. So what we're going to do is fold them down like this. So I'll get you something like this. Okay. All you gotta do is put your thing back and take that to the scrap metal recycling center. You gotta work bare feet. A little better angle what this looks like with the locking pin. Okay, don't use it without the pin because it can fall off just the axle right here. So hopefully that helped. Hit that like or subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming, and stay mini. Have a good one.